Hello everyone, I'll show you how to model this chair in 3D Max. First, I will start with the wooden leg. I will draw here a box and I need to make the size 35 by 35 by 40. Then I will add edit poly. Now I need to scale the top part because I have a splayed leg. I'll go to the top view, scale it, like 70% will be good. Then I will select the edges. Create shape, choose the type linear. Now I will delete the box. Here I need to enable the rendering and make the radial thickness. Add edit poly. First I will make these vertex straight again. So I will go to edit geometry, make a planar in Z. Also here, make a planar in Z. Then I will select only these polygons and reduce the size. So I will use here window selection. Then I will scale them inward like 60 or 70%. Now I need to make connect between these polygons. First, I need to select the edges over here by crossing window, then connect. Now I need to move these edges upward, okay, but if I move them right away like this, the shape will be distorted. So I will use here edit geometry constrain edge. Now I can move them upward along this edge. Now I need to chamfer from each side like 2.5 cm with 0 segment. Now I need to go to the top view and select the polygons that face each other. Okay. I will select this polygon over here, okay, and I need to use Alt to deselect the cap polygon. Okay. You can see I have only these polygons, and then I will deselect as well the top one. First, I will select them all using Control. Then Alt to deselect the cap polygon. Now I will use Bridge. Now only I need to solve this part over here because they are overlapped polygons. I will go to the top view. So this part I will keep it as it is, and this part I will delete here the common area between them, so they will not be overlapping polygons. So let me first select this edge over here, and I will use connect. So I have a small connected loop over here. Then chamfer from each side 1 cm, like this. I'll just change the position a little bit. I will use none. I will move it from here all the way to the middle. Also this one all the way to the middle. Now I will select these polygons over here and hide them. Hide selected. So I can see clearly this is step. I will select these polygons over here and delete. Also delete, delete. Then select the borders and then cap. You can see now that they are closed. Now I will unhide all. Go to the polygon mode. Unhide all. Now I need to solve unsmooth surface over here. I will select them, all the polygons. I can reach here, smoothing groups, then clear all. Now I will click on auto smooth. Now you can see the final result. Now I will start with the seat. I will change the color, go to the top view. Now I will draw a cylinder from the midpoint, okay, up to here. Now I will change the size 22, height 6, 2 cap segments, and I will tell you why, and I will increase the sides to 70. I will go to the side, and here I need to make some stitching like this one over here. So I will add edit poly, select the edge, this one, by double click, and that's why I choose to make them 2 cap segments. If you go back here and you make it 1, it will be hard to select this loop. Unless you go to polygon mode, select this polygon, then use shift to go to edge mode, like this. But if you make it two cap segment and then you double click on the edge, it will be easier to select it right away. Also the bottom one, double click, and then I will give it a chamfer half centi. Now I will add turbo smooth. Now here I need to make some stitching, so I will close turbo smooth, select this edge by double click, then I want to chamfer 0.2, and then I will extrude them in minus 0.1. Okay, you can see that they go in. Now I will add turbo smooth, like this. Now I need to make this surface upward, like more volume, because now it looks flat. I will select the polygons by angle, and here I need only to select the flat ones. I will click on shrink, then I will use here the offset toolbar, like I will move it upward half centi, and then I will scale as well a little bit in, and then again shrink and move it upward half centi. Now I will open turbo smooth. Okay, you can see now I have volume for that chair. Now I will need to start with the back seat. I need to draw a cylinder from this midpoint, the radius 34, height 6, and then height segment, which is over here, 2. Cap segments, I will give it like 5 or 4, so I will bend the shape later on. And then I need slice on 180. I'll move it upward and then to the back. Now this object, I need to extend this back side downward. Okay, but I need first to fix these edges. So I will add edit poly, select and connect. Now I will select this point and this point. If I press on connect, see it is not working because I have these edges in between. So I will go to edit geometry, cut. Okay, from this endpoint to this endpoint, like this. Now I will select these vertex over here. Now I will remove. Now I will select the polygons from this polygon all the way up to here by using Control and double click. Then use Shift and move them downward. Now I will unhide all, and I need to adjust the polygons with the seat level. So I move them up like this. Now I will add turbo smooth, and I will increase the iteration. Now you can see that on the side I have this bend downward, which is very suitable for this one. But here, this corner is curving on both sides, and here is flat. So I'll close turbo smooth, and I need here to make one loop near the bottom side. So I will select this edge, okay, and then ring to select the parallel edges, then connect. Open turbo smooth. If this is suitable, the way it curves on both sides, then keep it. Otherwise, it is still selected and turbo smooth is still on, I can move it and check the result myself. So that looks good for me. Now I will need to use bend modifier. So I will close turbo smooth, add bend modifier, then use the x-axis like this. Also I'll press F3 and move it in. Okay, like this. Now I need to open Turbo Smooth. Okay, and here I need to make this edge not going outward, I need it to go inward. So I will close Turbo Smooth, and I want to add here one edit pulley. Select the edges, which is this one, especially at the edge here, and also this one, and I need to move them inward. Okay, like this. And I can open at the same time Turbo Smooth so I can see the result. Like this. Also, I do the same thing with the other side. Okay, I don't want it to go in like this. I will close Turbo Smooth, select this edge and the one above it, then I will move them in like half centi or so, and also lower them a little bit, half centi. Now I will open Turbo Smooth like this. Now I need to add little volume for the sides. I don't want them to be so flat. So here I will close Turbo Smooth. Either I select this edge, so to give more space for this corner to curve in, like I will use Control Remove, and then I will add Turbo Smooth again, like this. Or you can undo, and here I will select the same edge by double click, and I will use Push Modifier. I will give it like 1 centi or so, then open Turbo Smooth. Then on top of all, I will use FFD modifier, and I will move the control points at the top to the back a little bit, like this. So this is the final result.